Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to express this number in standard form. This is a question WAEC 1994 question number 3. It reads, express 8.75 divided by 0.025 in standard form. The first thing that will come to our mind is what is standard form. Standard form is of the form a times 10 raised to the power of n, where 1 is less than equal to a less than equal to 10. So a will be a number which is equal to 1 or less than 10. It can be 9.99999 but not equal to 10. Then n is an integer. Integer is positive or negative number. Now let's dive in. If we have 8.75 divided by 0.025, what we do, we have to remove the decimal point. How do we remove the decimal point? We go to the denominator. After decimal point, we have 3 digits, which is 1, 2, 3, meaning we have to times both the numerator and the denominator by 1000 to remove the decimal point. That is 8.75 times 1000 all over 0.025 times 1000, which will give us 8.75 times 1000 will give us 8750 divided by 25 when we multiply 0.025 times 1000. Now we have to divide both the numerator and the denominator. We look for a number that can divide both. We say 5. 5 into 25 gives us 5. 5 into 8 gives us 1. Remember 3. 5 into 37 gives us 7. Remember 2. The 2 attach it to 5 becomes 25. 5 into 25 gives us 5. And 5 into 0 is 0. Then 5 can still go. 5 into 5 gives us 1. 5 into 17 gives us 3. Left with 2. Attach the 2 to 5 gives you 25. 5 into 25 gives you 5. And 5 into 0 is 0. Therefore, this will give us 350 as the answer. But that is not the end. We were asked to express the answer in standard form. And standard form is of the form a times 10 raised to the power of n. Now we want to make a to look as a number between 1 and 10. It can be equal to 1 but not equal to 10. The only way we can make a to be less than 10 is when we put the decimal point here. We move it 1 is 35 left. We move it again is 3 is less than 10 but greater than 1. Therefore, our answer will be 3.50 times 10. How many times do we move the decimal point to get 3.5? We move it 2 times. So to check if your answer is correct, when you multiply 3.5 times 10 raised to the power of 2, which is 100, you get back 350 as the answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.